Because second first, second, niche te ekta
Third.
batch thake.
Ito final product?
Not yet final, but ready.
Almost ready.
Yeah, almost ready. Itu sob bagan laga ase. The leaves, all the leaves, na. Yeah, collecting from the. And then I'm planning to make a liquid also from the weeds.
Oh.
And then this one in the process.
This time we went to for one natural farming, yeah? Where?
This is second.
Just tell me about the process.
Yeah. This also in the process. So after May, I think we can use this one. Next one.
Amihan products can market pe niye na sell kore na kina kore.
How the process is started and how?
This compost.
Yeah.
So we used to collect all the dry leaves, and then first the system of the compost is dry, and then some dry leaves, fresh leaves, and then if we have some manure, like chicken manure or cow manure, you can just mix little, and then put some water, 50 to 60% weight it should be, and then if you want to put the pile, how much pile you want to put, you can just continue the same process. So if the process is finished, and then you just cover the pile because it is open. So we need to protect from the rainwater. If it is too wet, the microorganism cannot live. So they will fly away. So we need to cover nicely, and then not direct sunlight also. If we want to make in the big tree under the shade, it's fine. So and then after mixing all the compost leaves, and then you just leave it for a week, and then after 1 week we start turning. So according to the temperature, we have to check the heat. So if the pile is very hot, then we have to turn every day. Otherwise, alternate days is okay. So after 45 to 50 days, we can use in the farm. So yeah, this is how we practice here. So in one pit, we got 30 to 40 bags, around 30 kg bags, the cement bags or whatever bags. If it is cement bag, then more than 40 bags we got from the one pit. So this is how we use. And then after using this leaf compost, yeah, slowly the soil is coming back. So all the microorganism is coming back. So yeah, this is how we are develop our farm. Thank you.
So how many kgs you can produce in a one slot?
I don't know exactly, but we just measure in the bag.
Okay. Okay.
Maybe bag is 30 kgs around.
But it is not a vermicomposting. It is
not vermicompost.
Not
we call it leaf compost.
Leaf compost.
Yeah. Vermicompost and leaf compost, there is little bit different.
Worm is the worm.
Yeah. So the process is from the worm, vermi.
Yeah.
So this is
from the leaf only.
Natural.
This is just compost.
Yeah, just compost, natural way. So, fruit enzyme, eco enzyme, we call it eco enzyme. Okay. We can use any types of fruits, but we have to be clean first that fruits before mixing all this. So fruit should be 3%, jaggery 1%, and then water 10%. So mix the portion nicely and then put in the container. Then for about 1 month, we have to open the lid to release the gas. Otherwise, it's a tendency to burst. So we have to release the air. So every day, after 1 month, we don't need to release. But till 3 months before we use, we have to keep in the steady place. So after 3 months, we can use even in the itchy skin also, skin problem and all. Then even in the garden, any types of vegetables, flower, you can spray or you can dilute with the water and then just pour in the ground. So yeah. This is called eco-enzyme. Then this is water soluble calcium, WCA. This is from eggshell and vinegar. To extract the calcium from the eggshell, we use vinegar to extract the calcium. We can dilute 1:10 the ratio with water and then just spray in the flowering time or any to boost the growth of the crops. So we need calcium. Then this is vinegar, bamboo vinegar. Vinegar we collected on 2023. So this is for pest repellents. So when we spray this, the pest will go out because of this vinegar smell, irritating. The smell is very strong, so the pest will go out. This is the fermented plant juice. This is also one of the nutrients extract from young plant. But the technique we use before the sun come up, we have to collect the young leaves. So at that time, in the leaves, many beneficial nutrients are there. So if the sun come up, so it will evaporate. So before the sun, we have to collect young leaves, and then this also we use jaggery. So same weight of the leaves with the jaggery. Then we put in the container, and then we cover it by paper or cloth on top. Then you just put in the setting place. After 7 days, we can extract this water. So this is also for vegetable, any fruit trees we can apply. So this is also one of the best nutrients.